What's going on, and welcome back. So this is a dividend update video. It is now May, so we're going to look at April's dividends that we've received. Just a quick overview of my portfolio. Currently got just over £4,500 invested. I put, as you can see here, a massive jump. I invested £1,000 this morning, but I'm going to do a separate video on that. I've got £5,000 to invest, so I thought I'd so I stopped that, and I'm basically going to create a different video for you guys to see how I'm going to invest £5,000 into my portfolio for you guys, and leave this just for my dividend payments in April. So if we head over to my history, so I use so you can see there, the £1,000 I invested this morning, I put into the FTSE all around high dividends. Like I said, I'll do a separate video on that one. And then yesterday I also bought Legal and General. So every week I invest £1,000. I wish I'd done that weekly. Every week I invest £30. Yesterday, Legal and General dropped quite a bit. I've got over 100 shares in Legal and General, so I thought I would top that up. As you can see, that I bought 13 shares Legal and General yesterday. So if we just do this, April the 1st till April the 30th, so just a month, and then we can see what dividends I got paid. So scroll down there. So 3rd of April, I had Pepsi paid me out 6p, LTC 6p, Primco 5p, Redwood Trust £3.40. So I've got 21 shares in Redwood Trust. I bought that when I first had the portfolio, or first started investing. That's a really cheap stock, and their dividends is pretty high. So I just basically put £100 into that, and I've left it. And this is pretty much just drip now. So that's going to keep. I don't want to invest any more into that because it's got a high dividend payout, and I think it's quite risky. So I thought I'd just turn drip on with that one and let that basically grow by itself without risking any of my money, my well-earned money. Walmart 3p. So I'll show you on how all this money come from. But the main ones I'll also point out. So yeah, Walmart 3p, Pimco again 5p, Automatic Data 5p, Vanguard 3p. Coca-Cola is a individual stock that I got, so that's why that paid out 84p, because I've got some money in Coca-Cola, a bigger percentage of money. Kimberly-Clark 8p, Canadian 9p, 15 4p, 8p. 17th was a nice day. Agree Reality 5, Main Street Capital 10, Franklin 14. Reality Income is another individual stock of mine, which I put a lot of money into. I think it's about £500 so far. They're paying me out £1.29 a month, so that is a monthly paying dividend. I'm probably going to put £1,000 into that. £1,000 of my £5,000, which I'll invest. I'm still doing some research on where's best to invest that. Stag Health, Prospect Capital 11, Rio Tinto 92p. That's not a bad one. Vanguard UK Glip, Bank of Nova Scotia, iShare. So all these dividends are pretty much from the almost daily dividend pie. So like I said, I got loads of shares here, hundreds of them, but majority of them is in the almost daily dividend pie. So you can see here I've got £1,000 in this. I've got £30 cash, but I think the minimum is 50. So yeah, minimum investment is 50. So I gotta wait for those dividends to keep building before that auto reinvests pretty much. But yeah, this is basically 50 holdings, so it's 50 stocks pretty much in there, and that is pretty much on auto invest. This is a separate challenge I'm doing. So with this one, I can only invest the money I make from social media. So you guys watching this video, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the ad revenue I make from those platforms, I put into this. And basically the goal is to get this, see how fast I can get this to £100,000. That's just a separate challenge I'm doing on this channel for you guys. Get rid of that notification because I haven't got that turned on. But these are the big ones that I've pretty much got auto invest turned on. So Ultra is a big one. Coca-Cola. So yeah, Ultra, I've got £1,000 in that. Currently up £22, which is nice. Coca-Cola, got £100 in that. Up £3 currently. This is the FTSE Earl World High Dividends. I got £1,000 in that. That's what I put £1,000 into it this morning. So hopefully this now will start getting dividends paid in, and then auto and reinvest is turned on. And then another reality income is another one that I've got drip turned on with. So these are the four big ones that I'm looking to invest into and grow. Reality income currently down 6%. So that's why I'm thinking to put £1,000 into this, or at least get that up to £1,000. Get the dividends as high as possible, and then this can start basically growing every month and just start compounding that interest onto that. So that's pretty much my portfolio update. So you can see there, currently down 2%, so £97. Yeah, it doesn't really change that there, but you can see I've these are where I've had massive inputs into the portfolio really, but that's pretty much what I've earned this month in dividends. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video where I show you what I'm going to invest my £5,000 into. So please hit this like button, also subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video.